welcome back to Mental Pick. So for today's Amazon leads, we got a total of 36 leads, 32 coming from Amazon OA and then 4 coming from our Amazon RA. So let's check some of our deals today. Starting off with MAC Cosmetics, we got this MAC Prem fixing mist that you could earn a profit of 11.83 with an ROI of 74%. Another deal from Just My Look, this Sun Balm blonde formula hair lightener that you could earn a profit of 4.80 with an ROI of 33%. There you go, a lot more websites waiting for you guys, and we got one new website, so check them out as well. There you go. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you these channels: review giveaways, affiliate income, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested to earn free extra money from us, feel free to check these channels out. And we got a bot operated channel, which is the Amazon to Amazon monitoring, or for A to A flips. If you're into flipping, feel free to check these channels out because you could see here a lot of deals that you could sell and buy from Amazon. Another bot operated channel is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites. So check them out as well because you could see here price drop from 30 up to 80% or more than price drop from these websites. And lastly, our general and Amazon community that you could use to communicate, chat, and talk with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for a week of today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone.